Howdy everyone, this is Grant with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here at this beautiful one bedroom at the L2 Uptown. It's their model. So let's take a look at it. By the way, this is the hallway, just so you can see what it looks like. It's really clean. Man, I can't hear anyone. It's really very, very sound low here. Love that. Let's walk in and let's see it. We're gonna walk in. Wow. Okay. Cool. This is a really wide apartment. There's a lot of space here. Feels great in here. Wow. Okay. This is their kitchen. Kitchen's really cool. I like all the cabinets. Lots of cabinets in here. There's kind of a glass space cabinet. Really pretty appliances that are here. That there's an ice maker that's there. So love that. Good space in here. You don't really need to have a table. You've got a table all set and ready for you to eat at. There's a washer dryer behind there. And then here is a kind of a bar area. This is really cool, or just a place to hold things as well, just for decoration. And then here's the living room. The living room's really cool. It's got great space. You really could even put another table in here. There's enough space for it if you wanted to. It's probably 10-foot ceilings in here, so really very elegant, nice feel. Got a lot of wall space here too, so easy to put that TV and things that would be under the TV, entertainment center, whatever you want to have under there, that's cool. You also have a lot of space for that sectional or whatever you want to have over here too. This is a little bit more what it looks like from there. So really nice. You do have a balcony too, or a patio, depending on where you're at. So let's take a peek out there. This is the patio, really nice. Now this is a pool floor, but also on the other floors you have the same thing as well. You have a balcony as well. So really nice to see that. And this is going to be part one of this tour. So we're going to go do a quick part two. That's going to be the bedroom and the bath. We're gonna do that right now. So just let the video roll. You'll see it right after this. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, and you want more information about the L2, or even to set up a virtual tour that's perfect for you, send me a text. Just use the number below. It's a part of our free service. And now let's go ahead and go into the bedroom.